Hey guys, how you doing? Just hiking along here with my kayak. I thought last night that it would be fun to make a video of sledding with a kayak, because why not? I mean, technically, snow is water. So, I mean, they go hand in hand. Kayaks are made for the water. Let's see how it goes. I was thinking about waxing it up, but oh my goodness, it's all on touch of powder too. Sorry about that. There's a road up here that goes right down, so there's a decent path. I'm stoked for this. I ran out of space. I had to go delete some videos. But I got a good half hour now, so oh, we're golden. Oh my goodness. It's sticky. Oh my goodness. Let's see what happens. Oh, this isn't a total fail. No, not emergency mode or restart. There we go. Go back to camera. There we go. Hey. Oh, I can see it for sure. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! This is awesome! Well, guys, that was awesome. That was awesome. Tomorrow's gonna be even better because I've got a couple friends that want to do this too. So, yeah, it's gonna be a good time.